Well, guys, we are in the air. We are getting set up in the shop here. Got it as kind of level as I can. Off all 4 tires right now. Dripping some oil out of the Jeep, so I'm going to have to get some kind of a catch can underneath there or put a bag or something underneath it for now. But, yeah, we are going to start making some progress finally on the old Hemi Jeep, the SRT Jeep 6.4 Hemi. Yeah, Cam from Texas Speed finally showed up, so that's always a plus. So now it's go time. As everybody knows, it's always last minute to me. We're getting set up in the shop. Joe's attempting to re-level my toolbox because the drawers fly open.
Put the small wheels on the front.
Something I fought with at my house too. So he actually went and found what looks like some shims. So he knows that he's just got to shim up the front, and then once we shim up the front, we should be pretty good. Oh, yeah, it's a little better. Moving into the shop allows me to basically walk around it without a ton of things in the way. We're just in setup mode. Welder's over here for now. We got to do some modifications to the welding plugs because they're all 240 3-phase. So we got to spend $100 or so on some welding plug outlets. And then we have some oddball 240 single phase 15 amp plugs over here. So that's a 240 15 amp. You'll see it's sideways. The camera can catch that. I think it did. Tint job number 1 went well ish. Top half worked well. Bottom half we forgot to use the heat gun, and then just a couple, you can see the gap, but I tell you what, a world of a difference not being able to see in through this window. Paul's gonna do this other one, which is mirrored tint. It's not factory, but it's been tinted at some point with a mirrored glass. So we're gonna get this removed at some point. You can see it's wide as well. So we'll rip that off, razor blades to clean all the old glue off. But overall, we're looking pretty good. Tyler's 400's in after I killed the battery, had to boost start it. Yeah, so let me put you down. I'm gonna get set up and we're gonna get to working on getting the Hemi out, and we'll find out if I need bearings or not. I really hope I don't need bearings. Really, really hope I don't need bearings. That actually came out way easier than I thought it was going to.
We try and slide it forward.
We're free.
Yeah, forward.
Oh. We are free. We just got to keep going up, Joe.
Well, or I was going to lift the back of the transmitter, back of the motor.
Oh.
I think it's only the 5-wheel, right?
Okay, hold on. Let me back them up.
I don't think it's. Oh yeah, we gotta go up to the oil pan now. Oh, just the same plug. We're good.
Well, guys, motor is out. We're just gonna put her down now. I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna do a quick walk. Pretty much where we're gonna end the video tonight. I'll do an actual tear down video of the pulling the block, flipping it, and going from there. How many times did we almost die today, Joe?
62 times going under the overhead door.
Oh.
Suspended load.
That's an inside joke, guys, of our employer. I can't really get into it. Look at that torque converter. That's something else. And then they use a weird push. That's cool. First time seeing the torque converter on a Hemi, so it's kind of just a neat little setup here, guys. You can see I got some cleanup to do. But we've got everything out. Motor is out, which is huge. It's off. We're...
You jack her up?
Yeah. We are one step closer to putting the Hemi back on the road. We're just blocking the motor up because it's going to sit like this all overnight. And tomorrow... Probably tomorrow evening, maybe tonight, or maybe tomorrow afternoon, we'll start the tear down of it. I'm going to try and get a video up for tomorrow for you guys. That'll be my evening job.
Set her down slowly.
And go from there. Just going to get this set down, guys.
Basically sitting on the front of the oil pan right now. Keep going. Back to the pan.
I think the biggest thing is I think we're good, Joe.
Well, I just want to pile some shit under the motor mount so it doesn't fucking rock so much.
Oh, yeah.
That side needs more
On the other side.
blockage of some sort.
So motor mounts look good, and I haven't seen anybody really complaining about the motor mounts. Never in my day did I think I'd be pulling the Hemi out myself, but it really come down to cost associated with this project. I'd have rather have sent this on a GBE block and done a 440 build on it, but is what it is. Either way, the Jeep is, for the most part, where it's going to sit here for hopefully a week or maybe two at the most. Hopefully we're putting the motor together next weekend, pending everything is here. Flex hone should be here hopefully this week. Lifters are in stock. Oil pump, we're going with a Hellcat oil pump. That's going to be the big one. And yeah, we can just start putting stuff together. Trying to decide how I'm going to put this together, whether I'm going to put the block in and then do the and so I can do the heads and the headers attached. I got to get the headers to Rogue next week for ceramic coating. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us moving into the shop for the most part. I didn't quite give in to too much. I'm gonna put you down so we can focus on getting the Hemi done up, and then we're done for the night. It's been a long day. Joe's been up since 5. Talk to you guys later. You guys keep running off road and stay classy.